Kennards Hire has a large range of safety gear and equipment. From equipment ideal for working in confined spaces to specialised rescue and descent gear suitable for roofers, engineers and scaffolders. Also personal protective equipment suitable for individual protection when on a job site. We offer a variety of solutions from our confined space range, including rescue platforms, breathing suits, gas level detectors to make mining, tunnelling and rescue operations safer and more successful. We offer a variety of height safety gear, including safety harnesses, static lines, fall arresters and bosun's chairs to safely perform jobs at a height. Our personal protective equipment range includes face shields, ear muffs, portable fire stations, speed detectors, rescue stretchers and much more. This range complements your equipment hire no matter what task is at hand. We can deliver to your site anywhere in the country, and because you're hiring from Kennards Hire, the equipment is backed by 24/7 service and support. For more information, visit the website or call into your nearest branch.
Kennards make your job easy.